Imagine making super cute, Pixar-inspired cartoon characters like these. Let me show you how with a few clicks with the custom Avatar Maker GPT. Hi, I'm Asasi and welcome to my channel where I showcase the best AI tools for creators and entrepreneurs. Today, I'm showing you the Quick Create Avatar command in Custom Avatar Maker. This is a tool that helps you design amazing cartoon avatars. Let's get into it. So we have 4 commands: the Quick Create Avatar, generate avatar prompts, and I trained this one to act as a prompt engineer to give you stunning avatar prompts. The Explore Exercises command, this gives you some exercises on how to customize and make different avatars. And the last one is the Create Detail Avatar command, and this one just allows you to get really detailed with your avatar. But for this video, we're going to go with the first command, which is the Quick Create Avatar. Okay, and it's going to start off with a base prompt to get you started. So we're going to take this prompt and fill it in. Okay, so I have filled out the prompt and let's see what it creates. Oh, this is so cute. So adorable. It did cut off her hair a little bit, but you can always take that to Canva if you have Canva Pro, and I believe it's called the Magic Expand, where you can have some hair added to the top. But that is really cute. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, that one is adorable too, and I forgot I should have specified make sure her full hairstyle is shown. So let me put that back in here. Okay, so I edit it and just add it to the end of it. Make sure her full hairstyle is shown. Adorable. That is really cute. I absolutely love this. Okay, so let's ask for the base prompt again. Okay, so I changed out the template. Let's see what it creates. Oh, that is so cute. That just brings a smile to my face. Okay, I'm having too much fun with these. Okay, so let's go with, let's just try some random. That is super cute. Okay, I'm going to see if it will. I'm going to ask it to make sure both of the characters' bodies are fully shown. This is so cute. So let's see. Okay, so I'm just asking it to see if it will include both of their bodies and the hair to see if we can get it more refined. Oh, this is so adorable. I love it. Although it does look like he has an extra fingers. I guess you could, yeah, you could take that to Canva and remove this part right here. It's like he has an extra hand, but that is so cute. Okay, so thanks so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know how you use these avatars. You can find the link to get these images in the description below. And if you're curious about more AI tools, check out my channel for more, and see you in the next video.